Hey guys, it's Mr. Johnson, and today we'll be looking at the Star Wars droid R2D2.
No more adventures. I'm not going that way.
Alright, now R2D2 is a droid from the movie series Star Wars, manufactured to be an auto mechanic and a pilot, so essentially a helper droid. Now, let's get down to the parts and coding of our droid. First, we have our motor, which you can see right here. Second is the Smart Hub, which houses the battery and the connection ports. So our gear here is connected to our motor. Here's the gear, here's the motor. The motor gets its power from the Smart Hub, where the battery is. Once that turns, it turns the second gear, where this wheel is, connected to an axle, which moves both of the wheels of the droid forward and gives R2D2 mobility. Alright, so now I'm going to show you the code being sent to the Smart Hub. The code is being sent to the Smart Hub right here, which houses the battery, via an invisible signal called Bluetooth, which is similar to Wi-Fi. So before I show you the logic of my code, I'm first going to push play and show you how the robot moves. Alright, so if you look closely here, and if you remember, the R2D2 went forward and then went backwards. So how that code works is that once we push play, the motor runs at a speed of 2 forward for 2 seconds. Then it runs backwards for 2 seconds. And that's how that works. Stay tuned for the next video where we're going to build our own R2D2 and challenge you to add something different onto it. Stay tuned.